Hello, this is Professor Vishala Patna. Science and language activities for children. During school age, every child acquires the essential knowledge and learns elementary skills required for leading happy, healthy, and successful life. That is why involving children most of the time in science and language activities help them in many ways. School age is a concrete operational stage. The children develop concrete cognitive abilities. That is why through science they can improve their cognitive abilities. They can satisfy their immense curiosity in a right way. In the science, the moment they open their eyes, the moment they touch anything, science starts. For example, I'm looking at this camera cell phone because I'm doing it in selfie mode. So what is this cell phone? How is it made? How does it work? What are its parts? What type of software it has? All those things go on. All that is comes under science. In science activity, children learn to observe things, perceive things properly, question, try to find out answer by associating, analyzing the information what they are seeing and what they are experiencing. So science helps them not only to develop right attitude, so many advantages. They will never become victims of unhealthy practices, unhealthy habits in life once they understand science well during their childhood. Children have tremendous curiosity. I always feel through science they learn basics of A, B, C, D, which are very important in child's life. A is they develop right attitude because science is truth here. Science is based on facts. Nobody can have assumptions in it. So everything is proved why it is wrong and why it is right in science. That is why child develops right attitude because they learn to observe. Without observation, science activity cannot be completed. So these are the few science activities one can easily can conduct. These are the strainers, peelers, all those things used in the kitchen are shown to them, making them observe plants, their pots, the water droplets. So, because of that, he perceives properly, he develops right concepts about that particular subject. His concentration increases, his curiosity is satisfied. The child develops confidence to speak about himself or herself and the things around or in the surroundings of the child. B is very important, the behavioral changes. Once the child understands the pros and cons of each his action or other's action, then the child understands and it is easy for the child to develop right habits because he knows the pros and cons of each activity or each the task, each thing what we do in our life. So that is very important behavioral change. So science improves their A's, improves their B and improves their C and the D. D is discipline. Here the discipline is controlling their thinking, controlling their behavior, controlling their activities for their welfare. So science helps the child as he knows the pros and cons of every activity. He develops self-discipline and also try to inculcate social discipline in others. Now social distancing is Very important self protection, protection of others in this pandemic season. So, science plays an important role in them. Now, the child has to develop right vocabulary for science. When the moment we talk about science, so many new words which we do not use in regular life comes in the way of explanation and listening about it. So automatically children's vocabulary increases. The simple thing is start from standard 1, take the children into the kitchen. When the mother is cooking, what is steaming? What is frying? What is roasting? What is deep frying? What is shallow frying? What is peeling? What is cutting? What is scraping? What is grating? All these things also come under science. Then pre cooking methods. Why pre cooking also is so important? Cleaning the vegetables. What will happen if we clean the vegetables in a small vessel in little water? What will happen if we wash the vessels and running water under the tap? The pre-cooking method also is so important. And then identification of dals, identification of everything. Like I had confusion about tur dal and moong dal till I became 7 years old. The children should know what is the names of each ingredient present in the kitchen and what they eat also in their mother tongue Marathi, in English, and also in Hindi. Now, children at their fingertips in the smart cell phones, once they open it, Google, then they know. If they know the English word, what is the Marathi word, they can get the translation of it. Otherwise, if they know tur dal, what it is called in English, immediately they get it. So everything is available in the cell phone. Many times we misunderstand the child is preoccupied with the cell phone. Let them be preoccupied with the cell phone, but with the interesting activities. So what you have to do is the responsibility of the parents and teachers is to keep them engaged even with the cell phone by giving them concrete assignments. Tell them that today I want you to complete the kitchen material. What all are there? You should know in Marathi and in English. At least first they have to be introduced. Suppose tur dal, he cannot just get from cell phone. Tur dal, you have to tell him that one. This is tur dal. We make dals and whatever in whatever way we use it in the food preparation. Same way, kitchen to dining room. Dining room, then generally we have dining tables, chairs, coasters, why the coasters are kept, fridge, how it works, what are its parts, and what is the maintenance of the fridge. These are all very interesting. It is very easy to involve children to get involved in very useful and constructive activities provided parents and family members give them small projects. After they complete it, have patience to listen to their reports, presentation, their discussions, and learn from them also. And never forget to appreciate them. Language is so important to store the information. That is why we have to encourage children to develop lot of vocabulary useful to them in their routine life as well as in their school. Let them make friendship with the dictionary. They also can download dictionaries in their smartphones, English to Marathi, Marathi to English, and other languages too. But every day make the child to make at least learn 10 new words, their spelling, how to make a sentence using that new word, and how to apply it in their day-to-day conversation.
Daddy and Mom. Good morning, how are you both? I hope you all are fine. Discipline, self-discipline can guide me well to become a responsible child. When I become a responsible person, I can do well in my duties. of a daughter and of a student. I want to get good name for me, for my beloved parents, and for my respected teachers. May God bless all of us with best health and bright future. Closing with lots of love and affection. Land, hand, heap, paper, rat, tire, handle, eye. What are your points? 67. Raw, ween, who, tag, teach, date, died. What are your points? 49. You are the loser.
Vaishnavi, have you prepared your speech?
Yes, I am Vaishnavi. I am studying in Standard 4. I love games and sports. I got first prize for coming first in the class.
Very good. Thank you.